This is the name of it. This is what the front page looks like. Here's one of the plain, well, not plain at all, one of the background papers. I love this paper. This one's really pretty too. This one. This is a cool one. This is from out of this real old book that I have from the mid-1800s, a book on calligraphy. So all of this would have been handwritten with some original fuchsia. That's an old fuchsia. Another neat page. Here's a fussy cut sheet. This is the actual file that we'll be cutting out. And with that are, these two are the fold outs. So I'll show you how that works. Just some fun little elements there. Here's some pockets we'll put in. Journal cards to set inside our folder. Here's some tags. Maybe we'll use this as a belly band. It's just so pretty, I couldn't resist when I made it. And some more elements. And on some of these, I printed on the back side. These are some of the tools I'll use. This is a corner punch. So this is great. Small, medium, large. To round your corners from a point to a round. This is an X-Acto blade kit. I use that to cut out the window in that pocket. Very handy. These are great, beautiful scissors. Tim Holtz brand. I love these. You need a good pair of scissors. A hole punch. I used that for cutting out those holes right there to these tags. You need a ink pad. Well, this is the ink pad, and this is the sponge to ink, and you'll do that for your corners here, this type of thing. This is our fold out piece. There's two of these pieces. You want to do both front. I like a little bit more inking. I like it in the corners. So that's what that's for. And also what's cool about inking, I don't know if you can see this edge. I didn't quite cut it all the way. It's white because I use cardstock for these. And that just covered that right up. So you'll do that. That's how you ink. This is a little mini cutter if you need it. This is handy to have on your table to get a real straight line. And then this might be my most favorite tool of all. It's a scorer. You use this. I'm going to score our folder. I'll score the folder while I'm filming here. There's one. This one I'm going to have to move over a little bit. Let's go right there. And then after you fold, you can ink. So I just got done scoring these pockets, and I wanted to show you what a great little tool this burnisher is, because it will give you a real sharp crease. I might trim that up just a little bit right here. It's just after all the pocket. Okay, maybe this one too a little bit. You want to take your inker and your ink pad. You want to ink these on top. This is really fast and really easy. And I'm going to go real simple in this tutorial just to kind of show you. And then I'll leave all the extra special embellishing to all you kit makers out there and junk journal makers. My collaborator, Tanya from Tatty Treasure, she does so much amazing things with my kits. I can't even, it just blows me away. I also like these glue sticks for a smaller project like this. And I think, I didn't burnish this down, so I'm going to. And before I go any further, because this is kind of thing I like to forget. Now I told you that I was going to come this way so that it opens this way. So the way I'll do that, I'm going to apply glue. I'm going to put that right there like that. So line that up like that. Let's push that over just a tiny bit. Press that down again, press that one down. Okay, so now we've already gone that far. We have this gusset in here so that you can pack it full of stuff. So now, because I see I'm getting glue on everything, so once again, we're only going to do the flaps, these edges that you can't see. Do your best to not get glue on anything else. You never want to come right up against the fold line. This time, I did something a little bit different. I have an Epson EcoTank printer, which I really love. That thing, you could print all day long on that thing, and it never runs out of ink. And I thought, I'm going to try my Epson presentation matte paper. Oh my gosh, the results were really phenomenal on some of these. So I'll probably be printing on that from now on. Okay, so look, we're already got this far. You could put, before you put that on, you could make another little gusset if you were really going to pack it full. But for this tutorial, let's just make it the way it is. So already we can put a couple of these in this one. Now you're going to see those when you open it. So you're going to put something smaller in that one. This is a little antique postcard. You can put that in there. What else we got? That one. There's a lot of smaller things. That. Now I'm thinking I'm going to show you how to do a belly band. I want to really use this piece of paper right here, but I don't think I will. So I changed my mind about the belly band, decided to use this one. So I kind of got it ready, and I'm going to glue. This is a leftover piece. I'm going to glue a good, put a lot right there on, maybe half an inch worth. And this one is not, I'm going to trim it after I'm done. Oh, but you know what I forgot to do? Forgot to ink it. So let me do that. There we go. I'm going to eyeball this up right in the middle. I don't think I got that straight, so I'm going to trim that edge too. I'm going to pull it down a little bit. So you can make a belly band. You can do, gosh, just about anything. You make some triangular. So I'm going to close that up. See that? I'm going to trim that very, very, very carefully. I'm going to trim this one the same, very carefully. Okay. Now I'll take my trusty burnisher, really get that down. And why did I want a belly band? Let me show you why. See these fun journal cards with these antique images on them? I already got them already. See, those are going to go right in there. If you wanted, which I might do, I have to go this way. You could even trim those corners a little bit, round them. I trimmed them, rounded each corner. I like the way they fit in here better now. So we have all of this done. You could put that one in there. Now, if you wanted, you could get tricky on the outside with one of these. I love these, so I seem to put these on everything. Inked all the edges on these. I just didn't want to cover up anything on that front cover, but I'm going to. Let's see, did I get that on there straight? Hopefully. Hopefully I did. So now we have that. There's 2 more pockets in the kit, so you could put a pocket here, pocket here. That would be really fun to have a little pocket. You know, you can make your own pocket too. Do you want me to show you how to do that? I would love to do that. I'm going to take a piece of paper to make a slant pocket. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this little element here. Oops. Get that. This is the cut line right in there. I'm going to get that corner right in there. And I'm going to decide, I'm going to make my pocket have a little edge. See that? Okay, wish me luck. Here I go. Aha, there's our pocket. What are we going to do? We are going to ink that. I do have 2 more pockets like that, but I just thought I'd show you how to do a slant pocket for fun. Let's get that real good in there. And then we'll glue a fine line. See this? It's got this fine point, the little pin that you leave in there. We're not going, so imagine it's going like that, right? It's really kind of a perfect fit. Just set that right in there like that. Now look at that. Now we have a little pocket there. You know how I really wanted to use this? I could just cut a piece of it and put it in there. So now I have this little piece I could put in. I'm not going to put it in all the way because this isn't dry yet. And this little piece. There's a fun little card you could journal on. I'll put this on the back on the bottom. Oh, I don't want to cover that rose. And there's that little piece. Another little journal piece. I save all the pieces until I'm done. There's 2 more tags and some ovals that I didn't cut out. And I didn't cut out that beautiful sheet. Would be fun to have one of these, so I think I will cut one out. But I'm just going to cut around the edges. So I cut this out and I inked around the edges and then lightly inked in the white part. I'm going to put that right there. There is a great tutorial on taking these types of fussy cut sheets, putting them in, downloading them as a JPEG into your Cricut machine, and it'll do all the cutting for you. And it's real easy to do that once you know how, especially, right? I think her name is Dairy Barn Arts. She's on YouTube, and she used one of my fussy cut sheets to do that. That looks cool. I love that. Just love those colors. We'll put that right there just for fun. But you can see how you can just keep embellishing. There's a lot of different elements in this kit that you can add. Make it, I'm going to put that just right there. This will save, you can make a journal out of this. I'll do another tutorial on that. I've done a couple on that. These are real fun and real easy if you leave them attached, so that's why I didn't cut that one out. There's these pieces too you can use. You would add maybe some twine or ribbon to those, and that's really easy to do. Fold it not perfectly even. These are great. You can journal on these. You can put some affirmation words or scripture. And that's in there like that. And it's finished. Now, how fun and how easy is that? Thanks for watching.